Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make bacon perfectly. Preheat oven to 400 degrees F and arrange bacon on a rack over a lined sheet tray so fat drains away. Keep slices spaced for airflow and use tongs to check doneness at 8-minute intervals until crisp to your liking. Rest bacon on paper towels for a minute to remove excess oil and serve immediately. Preheat and position bacon as described, then slide the pan into the center of the oven to cook evenly. Set a timer and check at about 8 minutes, then flip once and continue until your target crispness is reached. Remove with tongs and blot on paper towels to control oiliness. Store cooled slices in an airtight container for quick reheating or crumble for salads and sandwiches. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more cooking tips. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, a great read for practical thinking and long-term planning. It pairs oddly well with mastering simple habits like perfect bacon. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If you prefer pan frying, cook over medium heat and render slowly to avoid burning while flipping often for uniform color. For speed and less mess, use an air fryer at 375 degrees F and check after 6 minutes, adjusting time by thickness. When grilling, use indirect heat or a foil tray to prevent flare-ups and aim for charred edges without flame contact. Experiment to find your favorite texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.